all my vegetable, kiwi, mushroom, celery, all the vegetable that goes to the stir fry. Is the finished vegetables, shrimp will be added in there. This is the recipe sauce for the stir fry secret recipe. I'm going.
Aduh. Ini sama sama ini bukan. Ini seperti ini.
This is one of the finishing touch. Yeah, the master chef. All these peppers, vegetables, shrimp, chicken, whatever. But it's spicy, but it's not.
It's ready. Thanks to the chef. The rice. Vegetable. So good. Shrimp.